Okej, det här man äter friterad kakdeg. And Julia? Okay, hold this while I eat fried potato. So det här är friterad kakdeg. Not good? Why is it not good? What is not good? It's a chocolate. It has to be good. Actually.